Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in this video we'll discuss the first problem of Leetcode BiWeekly contest 107. Again an easy level problem, but as I told you in the other videos of the same contest, I would say the website made it the most difficult one to do in this today's contest, right? Because it was down for quite some time. So yeah, that was the main challenge. But yeah, let's see what the problem name is. Find maximum number of string pairs. It says that you are given a zero indexed array words consisting of distinct strings. Okay, the string words of I can be paired with the string words of j if the string words of I is equals to the reverse string of words of j. Okay, for all this basically you have to form a pair, right? So return the maximum number of pairs that can be formed from the array words. Note that each string can belong to at most one pair. Okay, pick the string, the cd. So you have to check, can I pair it with another string? How do you pair two strings? This is cd, just reverse it, you get dc. Just is dc there, so this cd is gets paired with this. Okay, one pair plus. Now these two are consumed, don't use them again. This is ac. What's the reverse of ac? That is ca. So this ca and ac gets consumed, plus one again. Now this is the last one that is left. Now remember, there is an edge case in this problem, that is if you reverse z, you get zz. Okay, but you have distinct strings. So whatever data structure you use, you have to take care that you do not form a pair like this when all the characters in the string are same, right? So you basically form two pairs here. Now what about this guy? AB and BA form a pair. Great. What about CC? Again the same edge case. Do not reverse to check whether CC is present in your data structure or not, else you will be getting an extra pair, right? What about this? This is AB, this is A, and this is AB. Obviously these do not form any pair, so answer is 0 here, one pair here, two pair here, right? This is again an implementation based problem. You can see the number of words that you have is very less, and each word is basically of two length, right? So what I have done here is, again, this was the first problem. Instead of thinking too much to write an optimized solution, I wrote whatever I was fastest to write, right? So this is what I did, right? Answer is equals to 0. This is a set I have taken. This tells me what are the used words, because I have to keep a track of what are the words used. I do not need to use it again, right? Now some of you may think, why cannot I just take one set and keep on modifying it? So I hope you are aware that while you are iterating the set, right, it's not good to modify it, right? You can have concurrency issues, but again here this is the first problem. It will not happen. That is not a good practice to do. That is why I have not done that, right? Getting it? Here maybe you will not get that error if you just modify the same set, right? Because you keep on iterating, and because you iterate on words and you modify this set. But again, I have taken two of them. You can take either one also, that would also work. But again, this code is clear, that is why I did that. This is the used and this is all the words, right? First add all the words in the set. Okay, I'm using set so that I can directly search that is the reverse version of the current string present in the in words or not, right? So set is basically the fastest to tell me whether a particular thing is present or not, right? Now this is my words. If the current word is present and used, that means this particular word has been used. Do not try to pair it with anyone else, right? So continue, skip the whole part. Otherwise, find what's the reverse of the current word, right? String builder.word.reverse.toString. Again, it can vary from language to language, but for the current word, generate the reverse word. Okay. Now, if all dot contains reverse, okay, and it is not used. So all dot contains means, is the reverse present? Yes, that is present. But is that used? If that is used, skip it. No, it is not used as well. And also it should not be equals to the current word. Okay, because suppose you take zz. So zz ka reverse is zz. That is present in all. That is not used as well. But that will increment your count. So that is why this last condition is added, that reverse should not be equals to the current word, right? Getting it? Then you add answer and you add reverse and the word in the used set. Simple. Finally you return your answer. I'm reiterating, I've taken two sets for better code readability. That's the only reason. You can do it with one set also. You can take other data structures also, perfectly fine. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this solution. I hope you learned something new from this video, especially the edge cases, how to keep a track of the edge cases and how to manage them, right? So yeah, if you find this video useful, do support it by giving up a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel as well. In case you have any queries related to this problem, mention that in the comment section. I'll revert on each one of them. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.